Okay, today we're going to make quick and fast teriyaki chicken. So what you're going to need is some chicken. So I've got a couple of chicken thighs here, some plain flour, some olive oil, some pepper, salt, sugar, minced, and some toasted sesame seed for garnish. So we'll need a medium-sized pan and some heat, obviously. Just fire it up. Put it on the heat, like so. My assistant passed me the oil. Some oil. And we'll just get this heated up. Probably a couple of tablespoons. Alright, now the chicken, we're just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper in these little puppies, like so. Pepper. Doesn't hurt to put some pepper in here as well. Some salt. Make sure they're all nice and seasoned up. Just lay these in the flour like so. And then once that pan's gently heated up, not too hot, medium high, just lay the chicken in. Just want to get that nice and golden. Use this now. You can see I've filleted chicken thighs open a little bit here to get them a little bit more flatter, which is just butterflying them and stretching them a little bit more flat.
So these are starting to brown up nicely. It's almost fully cooked on one side.
We'll just brown the last side. Now it's pretty close to adding our last two ingredients, which are the sugar and the salt. So again, we've got sugar and minced. Now it doesn't really matter which way you do it. I like to do the sugar first. Just going to hit it with the sugar and let the heat caramelize that. And then I'm simply going to hit it with the sauce. Put the lid on and just give it a few minutes on each side. This will glaze it up nicely and help cook the chicken fully through. So this minced you can get from most Japanese marts or Korean marts, just about anywhere in the country. Now about halfway through, I'm just going to flip that over, see how it's glazing up quite nicely. Look at that nice and plump, juicy chicken. Just going to glaze that up now, let the sugar and the sauce do its work. Just going to leave that lid on. Okay, you don't want to burn it, remember it is sugar and soy based sauce, so it will burn easy. You just want to gently, the way it goes around in the pan, Probably just going to turn that down a little. Could even probably just keep turning it over like so. Look at that lovely juicy. Assistant will get some rice. So about this stage, I'm just going to turn it off now. Just let the chicken rest. Yes. Now this is enough for 2 people easily. Just allow the chicken to rest for a minute or 2. Grab some of the sauce, not too much, it's quite rich. Most of the flavour is already in the chicken, just a little bit of sauce to pop up that rice. And then we're just going to finish it now with a bit of toasted sesame seed. Finish it with a bit of chilli, a bit of fried ginger.